In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these scale monster truck ramps. Welcome everyone, my name is Troy, this is Roadside RC. What you'll tend to find on the channel is crawling and bashing and racing and drifting, plus product review videos and how-tos. Today, for all you scale monster truck folks out there, it is time to build some scale monster truck ramps, backflip jump, little kick bumps, and I'm going to show you step by step how I did that. With the dust still settling, now I'll say the one thing I think I'm going to modify on these little kickers right here is I still made them just slightly too tall, and I don't want the truck to get high centered on it. I want the truck to be able to freely roll over and then kick. And so I'm going to come through here with either a sander or my bench grinder, and I'm going to take off. It's not going to even be very much, maybe 1/8 inch or something like that. I'm going to just sand down this whole thing. I may end up needing to move my screws a little bit, something like that, but I'm going to sand it down, make this top flat just so that it can roll up and then kick over without any kind of issue. Well, there we go. So I hope this was useful for you, being able to see how to build these monster truck jumps, bump ramp, little kicker, and I hope this helps you on your monster truck journey. I'm going to provide some links to some other things that I've done with this LMT over here on the side, and we will see you in those videos. Thank you and goodbye.